Seniors, don't waste money on magnesium supplements. Science now shows that the secret to rebuilding muscle overnight isn't magnesium at all. It's about taking the right vitamins before bed. In this video, you'll discover which vitamins fuel your muscles while you sleep and help you wake up stronger, more energized, and ready to move like you used to. Let's begin with a powerful yet often overlooked evening supplement that makes a big difference. The first essential vitamin to consider taking at night is vitamin D3. When you introduce vitamin D3 into your system before bed, something quite remarkable begins to happen while you sleep. Your body's vitamin D levels activate special receptors within your muscle cells, often referred to as VDRs. These tiny receptors act like signals, instructing your muscles to absorb more vital calcium and phosphorus from the food you've eaten throughout the day. Your muscles critically need these minerals to contract efficiently and grow stronger over time. Beyond just mineral absorption, taking vitamin D at night also gently encourages your body to produce more testosterone during sleep, a hormone that plays a crucial role in helping your muscles utilize the protein you consumed earlier to build brand new muscle tissue overnight. Without sufficient vitamin D, this vital repair process can unfortunately slow down by as much as 60%. Furthermore, vitamin D also acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent in your muscle tissue as you rest, helping you recover faster from any exercise and actively preventing the muscle breakdown that can often accompany aging. Most easily available vitamin D3 supplements typically contain between 2,000 to 4,000 IU per capsule, which is significantly more than many older adults typically get from sunlight in an entire week. A significant Harvard study even tracked 400 seniors who had low vitamin D levels for 8 months. The group who took daily vitamin D3 gained an average of 2.8 pounds of muscle, while the group without it gained a mere 0.4 pounds. This isn't new wisdom. Even centuries ago, people understood its importance, with Viking warriors using cod liver oil during long, dark winters to maintain their strength when natural sunlight was scarce. Integrating vitamin D3 into your routine is quite simple. Aim for 2,000 to 4,000 IU with your evening meal, ideally one that includes some healthy fats to aid in better absorption. You can also naturally boost your vitamin D intake. Grilling about 4 ounces of salmon with herbs provides more vitamin D than most people get in a whole week. Roasting mushrooms until crisp and serving them with mashed sweet potatoes topped with grass-fed butter can also enhance absorption. Here's a little trick. Mix cod liver oil into your homemade salad dressing. You won't even notice the taste, but your muscles will certainly thank you all night long. Finishing your meal with a glass of fortified milk before bed can round out this beneficial dinner. Together, this type of dinner can give you over 500 IU of vitamin D, combined with plenty of healthy fats, providing exactly what your body needs to build muscle effectively while you sleep. Now, while vitamin D3 is undoubtedly powerful for muscle repair, it can't do the job entirely on its own for the best possible results. For optimal muscle growth and recovery, you absolutely need to pair it with one more crucial supplement. If you only take vitamin D at night, you might not experience the full array of benefits unless you add this next one. When these two work together in synergy, they give your muscles the ultimate chance to grow and recover significantly overnight. The second indispensable supplement is zinc. During the deepest and most restorative stages of your sleep, your body diligently produces important growth hormones. What many people don't realize, however, is that these vital hormones depend on zinc to effectively carry out their functions. Zinc plays a pivotal role, helping to control over 300 different enzymes that are responsible for repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue while you're asleep. When your body has enough zinc, these essential enzymes remain active for 6 to 8 hours straight, diligently working away. But if your zinc levels are low, which unfortunately affects about 40% of older adults, your precious muscle repair process can slow down dramatically by as much as 60% during the night. Furthermore, zinc also assists in transporting amino acids directly into your muscle cells while you sleep, where they are meticulously pieced together to form new, stronger muscle fibers. This is precisely why individuals with healthy zinc levels often wake up feeling less sore and recover much faster from exercise, while those who don't get enough zinc frequently report feeling stiff and achy. Most easily available zinc supplements typically provide 15 to 30 milligrams of easily absorbed zinc per capsule, which is nearly 3 times what many older adults get from their daily food intake. Here's a surprising fact. Even though zinc deficiency is so remarkably common worldwide, most doctors rarely test for it. Low zinc levels can slow wound healing, reduce testosterone production, and prevent your muscles from effectively utilizing the protein you consume. This is why some older adults can eat plenty of protein but still find themselves struggling to build and maintain muscle mass. A study from the University of Michigan meticulously tracked 120 older adults who were zinc deficient over a 12-week period. Those who took 20 milligrams of zinc daily experienced an impressive 34% increase in muscle protein building and recovered a remarkable 40% faster from exercise. The researchers even discovered that zinc actually turns on specific genetic switches that instruct muscles to grow and repair themselves. Even ancient healers recognized its power, with Egyptian doctors using zinc-rich treatments over 4,000 years ago to heal wounds and restore strength in warriors. For the very best absorption today, take your zinc supplement with a full glass of water, ideally about 2 hours before you go to bed. While vitamin D3 and zinc are undoubtedly excellent for supporting muscle building and repair overnight, there are some common supplements that you absolutely should avoid taking in the evening. In fact, these can actively work against your body's natural repair process and disrupt your precious sleep. I'll share 3 of them with you now, and you might be surprised to find that you've likely taken at least one of these recently without realizing its evening pitfalls. The first supplement to be cautious of is B-complex vitamins. At first glance, this might seem a bit odd. After all, B vitamins are widely recommended for boosting energy, supporting nerve health, and enhancing metabolism. Many older adults take them daily, hoping they will help combat fatigue. But here's the crucial catch. Taking them at the wrong time, especially at night, can actually block your muscle-building progress. B-complex vitamins contain nutrients like B6, B12, niacin, and riboflavin, all of which naturally stimulate your nervous system. They gently raise your metabolism, slightly increase your heart rate, and generally make you feel more alert. This invigorating effect is wonderful in the morning when you need energy to start your day, but at night, this false energy can severely work against you. Remember, muscles aren't truly built in the gym or even at the dinner table. They are primarily built and repaired during deep restorative sleep. That's precisely when your body releases crucial growth hormone, diligently repairs damaged muscle fibers, and transforms the protein you ate into new, lean tissue. If your nervous system is still revved up from evening B vitamins, you simply won't spend enough time in slow-wave sleep, which is the most critically important stage for muscle recovery. A 2019 review published in Sleep Medicine examined older adults who took B vitamins in the evening and found that they had lower melatonin levels, experienced delayed onset of deep sleep, and spent fewer minutes in restorative rest. In other words, they essentially missed the exact golden window when muscles grow. On top of that, late-day B vitamins can potentially raise cortisol, the infamous stress hormone, which not only keeps you awake but also sadly breaks down precious muscle protein. The takeaway is straightforward. If you take B-complex vitamins, do it with your breakfast to fuel your day, then allow your body to naturally rest and repair itself at night. The second vitamin to avoid taking at night is vitamin C. It's often celebrated for its remarkable ability to boost immunity, improve skin health, and accelerate healing, and it is indeed a very important nutrient. However, when it comes to maximizing muscle growth, timing is absolutely key. Vitamin C is a very potent antioxidant. That sounds universally positive, doesn't it? But at night, your muscles actually require a tiny bit of oxidative stress to properly kickstart their repair process. This mild stress acts as a vital signal to your body, prompting it to release growth hormone and rebuild those muscle fibers that were slightly damaged during the day's activities. If you load up on vitamin C right at bedtime, you effectively blunt that natural signal, which in turn slows down your muscle repair. Research indicates that a high intake of antioxidants before bed can reduce your body's ability to activate mTOR signaling, which is the key pathway your muscles use to grow stronger. Simply put, your muscles don't get the critical message to repair themselves. Furthermore, vitamin C can also be mildly stimulating. It helps produce norepinephrine, a brain chemical that contributes to wakefulness. Many older adults who take vitamin C at night often report restless sleep and less time spent in deep, slow-wave sleep cycles, precisely the time when muscles undergo their most significant recovery. The third common supplement to avoid at night is caffeine. Most people primarily associate caffeine with their morning coffee or tea, but it can also discreetly sneak into pre-workout drinks, certain pain relievers, and even some multivitamins. While a moderate amount of caffeine early in the day can indeed boost your focus and energy, having it in the evening can completely derail your muscle recovery and sleep quality. Caffeine stimulates your nervous system and significantly raises your cortisol levels. At night, this is a major problem. High cortisol not only keeps you awake, but also unfortunately interferes with the intricate process of turning dietary protein into new muscle fibers. Caffeine also cleverly blocks adenosine, the natural chemical that signals your brain it's time to wind down and rest. Without adequate adenosine, you struggle to fall asleep, and even when you do, your crucial deep sleep cycles are often shorter and less effective. This is particularly challenging for older adults, as deep sleep is precisely when growth hormone peaks and the majority of muscle repair happens. A 2020 study published in Nutritional Neuroscience followed 160 older adults. Those who consumed caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime lost an astounding 28% more muscle than those who remained caffeine-free, even though both groups consumed the same amount of protein. So here's the bottom line for effective muscle building and recovery. If you want your collagen and protein to truly rebuild your muscles, keep all caffeine consumption strictly to the morning. This means no coffee, no tea, and no caffeinated supplements after lunchtime. The same recommendation applies to B-complex vitamins and vitamin C. They are undoubtedly helpful nutrients, but only when taken earlier in the day to support your daytime activities. At night, prioritize taking your vitamin D3 and zinc to give your muscles the very best chance to naturally recover and grow stronger while you enjoy a truly restorative sleep. Which of these vitamins have you been taking at night without realizing they might be hindering your progress? Please drop a comment below and share your experience. I read every single one and am genuinely interested in how this information resonates with you.